Do you want to know why some home sellers get their house sold within days or just a few short weeks after first putting it on the market? Then stay tuned, because we're going to show you the #1 tactic that makes your home viewed by more buyers and helps you sell quickly and for the best price and terms in your market. That's coming up next.
We're Glen and Kelly Nelson with Realty One Group, and today we're going to teach you some proven techniques and tips to attract more buyers and sell your home quickly. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for weekly content on how to save lots of money and time when buying or selling a home. Just click the red subscribe button or click on our channel page to see more videos.
Home sellers everywhere struggle with knowing how to stand out from all the other homes for sale and attract lots of buyers in the process. Today, we're going to show how using professional photography and video will get lots of buyers in to see your home and write offers, so you not only sell quickly, but for top dollar. Gone are the days where using a cell phone for pictures of your home is acceptable. On real estate home sites, what causes buyers to swipe and move on to the next house are those dark pictures. To make your home stand out, you should be using only professional photos and lots of them.
According to the Center for Realtor Development, homes with high quality photography sell 32% faster. Homes with more photos sell faster too. A home with one photo spends an average of 70 days on the market, but a home with 20 photos spends 32 days on the market. For homes in the $200,000 to $1 million range, those that include high quality photography in their listings sell for $3,000 to $11,000 more. The National Association of Realtors points out that 87% of home buyers who search for a home on the internet found photos to be among the most useful features of realtor websites, according to the 2018 National Association of Realtor profile of home buyers and sellers.
Your photographer may offer drone photography as part of their service where available. That adds an additional dimension in viewing your home, since the buyer can get a sense of your home's surrounding and nearby amenities. Professional photographers also offer video tours, which can be used to promote your home online in Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Google Ads.
Be sure to consider an interactive 3D tour. Either through virtual reality goggles or from the comfort of your computer or phone, buyers can virtually walk through your entire home anytime and as long as they want. This gives them a better sense of what it would be like to live in your home and experience it as you, the seller, do. It is the next best thing to being there, even after they have toured a home in person. What better way to be able to revisit their dream home than in 3D?
For more great tips on how to increase your bottom line when selling your home, be sure to get our free Home Seller's Guide to Professional Photography. Just click the link in the description box below.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time.